is going on? Please lock in.
Yeah, it seems to be a tough, hard time for Avengers, but they will come back. I feel they will come back. It's a matter of luck, just a luck here and there.
They have 2 hours to get their luck back.
Yeah. Luck patla patang tera gora gora rang. You know that luck.
हो जाएगा, hopefully.
The match started. Giants bowling. Good bowling, good bowling. Priyansh could not score.
एक बार थैंक यू सब स्पॉन्सर्स को बोल दोगे. प्रेजेंटिंग प्रिंस है, पावर्ड बाय मेमन है, बाकी एसोसिएट है.
Oh, we would like to give say thanks to the sponsors: Prince Developers, Memon Realtors, Brandex. Fourth ball. Oh, what a bowling! What a bowling! Only a single in 4 deliveries till now. Ashwin bowling. Wow, what a shot! It was a 6. 6 written on it from the time it left the bat. Wow, what a shot, but it could only fetch him a single. So the over ends with 8 runs on the board. Strikers batting, Giants bowling. Priyansh seems to be playing an anchor role in England this IPL, I suppose. He's not going for his shots. Ravi, who just served us a good coffee. Let's see what he's going to serve on the turf. Ravi, तेरी कॉफी काफी अच्छी थी. Let's see the bowling. Oh, good ball. Ball coming from the leg side into the batsman. Oh, good shot. Good shot by Kushal. Just a single in 2 balls. Good bowling. Strikers not able to bat so freely. Just 10 runs in 3 balls now. Priyansh batting very carefully. Wow, Kushal taking chances, but good stop by Tendulkar. We have a Imperial Tendulkar with us. Good bowling. Wow, what a shot! What a shot, Kushal. What a shot. The shot coming right in the end of the over. What was going to be a very super over turned out to be an expensive one. It's 16 after 2. Strikers versus Giants. The match is swinging like a balance. Cherry coming to ball. Oh, good bowling, good bowling. Priyansh could not hit him far. No run. Oh, good bowling, good bowling. Bowling has been very good, very tight by strikers. Second ball, just 17 on the board after 2.2 overs. Wow. It's out. It's out. The shot was good, but it hit the net on the top, so it's out. On turf cricket, it's out for men's. They lose their first wicket. Kushal, who was batting well, he was going for the shots. Priyansh was playing anchor role. Kushal was hitting the ball, but Kushal lost his wicket in that process. Oh, it was almost a wide ball. No ball. It's a free hit. Priyansh. Oh, good bowling, good bowling. If you are a newbie bowling to Priyansh and he's not able to hit you, then you are a good bowler. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! It is 6. Each time Giants are bowling well, they give away a boundary. Oh, good presence of mind by the batsman Rahul. They take a single. 3 overs. After 3 overs, it's 27 for 1. Yuvraj Asthana coming for the 4th over. Round the wicket. Right hand bowling slow bowler. Rahul will be taking his chances against UV. Let's see who gets the better of the other. The ball was slow. Rahul took his time but could not hit it. The ball went to the keeper. No run. Wow, what a shot by Rahul. What a shot. What a shot. It's a 6. Each time Giants are bowling well, they're giving the 6. Wow, what a shot by Rahul again, but hitting the side nets. Just 1 run. 34 for 1 in 3.3 overs. What a shot. What a shot by Priyansh. नहीं अपना कैरियर भी तो बनाना है 39 for 1 after 3.5 overs. Oh, what a shot, but just for a single. 13 runs came in this over. Striker seems to be cruising now. 40 for 1 in 4 overs. They have 12 ball more to score. I feel now Priyansh will go for each and every ball. Rahul. They just bowling a wide. First ball wide. Wow, Rahul hits it, but Viransh catches it well in the deep. So they're down to 2, 41 for 2. But see who's coming. Vikas, he has a reputation of hitting hard and full. Let's see who wins here. Wow, what a shot. What a shot. But it could not be more than 1 in this shot. It hit the side nets. Wow, what a shot by Priyansh, but straight into hand of Tejas, who could not stop it. Over seems to be going well. It's a 6. Priyansh has come into his own. Now going for the runs. Oh, Priyansh again, and it's taken. Oh, taken by Avi. 48 for 2. Priyansh did his work. They played the role well. Now it up to Vikas and the last match hero. Last match hero is on the crease. Oh, what a shot, but only for a single. Shlok. Over. It's over. 8 runs and a wide coming in this over. It's 49 for 3 after 5 overs. It will be Shlok again taking on the bowler in the last over. RV bowling. Let's see if he can do the magic once again. Oh, what a shot and what a catch by Tejas. Shlok could not do anything more than this. So they're down to 49 for 3. Strikers seem to be shaking. Going down the barrel this time now. The captain comes to the foray on the pitch. Oh, it's just a single on the side nets. Now it's up to Vikas if he can. No ball, no ball. No ball. It's a free hit for Vikas. It's up to Vikas now. He has been gifted with a free hit. Oh, it's a wide. It's a wide. These are very sin runs. I should say it's a sin runs. Oh, what a shot. It's a 6. Again, strikers coming back into the match with a 6. Wow, what a shot. But still, it was to be caught by RV, but he couldn't. Oh, what a shot again. Vikas doing the job. Vikas doing the job what was left behind by Priyansh and Shlok. A good score on the board, 64 for 4. Wow, what a flurry of 6s by Vikas. Vikas kept his reputation. Clean hitting. I don't know where Hiral is, if she's watching. Her husband hitting 6s. Great batting by strikers, great batting. Giants had been bowling very well, but throughout the match, they have been giving 6s in the last balls. There's a toss going on in between Queens and Superstars. And here's the flick of the toss. Heads. Oh, Superstars are going for batting. Richa calls for batting. Preeti team will be, Queens will be bowling. Hiral, are you interested? Hiral, did you see 3 6s by Vikas?
Yes, I did.
Are you elevated?
Yeah, definitely.
Great striking by the strikers. There seems to be a little muscle pull for Cherry. Usually the Cherry's on the top, but this time Cherry's lying down.
We'd like to thank our sponsors. Prince Developers, our presenting sponsor. Thank you, sponsors. Powered by sponsors, Mem Reality. This is their 3rd season in a row. We can't pull off a wonderful tournament without the sponsors. So thank you once again. EIPL Panasonic, Brandex, and Infinity Constructions. Okay, here we go. That's a dot ball, beautiful ball. This bowler bowls deceptive bowling, you know. Action is something else and the ball comes out something different. So, it's quite deceiving. Kiska? We don't know what the stoppage is for. Please carry on. We're behind schedule. What's the hold up for? What's the problem? Yeah. उधर गया ना हाँ तो you have to cross. Doesn't matter. It's a declared one run. Okay, let's get on with it. And that's a clean bowled by Abhi. Quite a deceptive bowler. डालते एक्शन कुछ और करते हैं डालते कुछ और है. Now Kush on strike. If there is one team, Jayesh, who can chase this total, it's Giants.
Sorry?
Go Kush, go. Beautiful connection, but safe hands of Priyansh. Priyansh has really developed as a player this season. He's showing a lot of maturity, a lot of enthusiasm. There's a change in personality.
100%. And I think chasing is never easy. When the score is on the board, 77, 70 to chase.
Champion is on strike now, Tejas. And he's whacked the ball for a safe dot ball. Last ball of the over. And they almost lost a wicket. An edge by Tejas. He tried to hit the short ball for a 6, but I think he got slightly early on the ball. Paji, what do you think? I think Giants have the batting power to make it, but it's not easy.
No, it's never easy chasing, and chasing a big score like this one is very tough one. The asking rate is above 12. 64 runs in 30 balls is a massive task. Massive task for them. Oh, what a ball, what a ball. In between the ball match, I will be telling all. Physio rhythm is there for all of us to stretch out. What a bowling by Smile, but couldn't be.
Paji, can you feel the tension in the air?
Yeah, there's a lot of tension, a lot of talking going on about the dropping of craze.
Dropping Tejas could be crucial.
Both are champion batsmen on strike. If they get going, they can make it.
Oh, it's out. Viransh is out. That was a great wicket to be taken. Team photographer, if wherever you are, please come to the selfie point or the team photo point, photo booth, whatever it is.
We have a special announcement. Physio Rhythm is here, and they will help out stretch all the teams who have the next matches. So whoever has the next matches can go towards the photograph counter, and that's where we put a mat for teams to stretch. They're going to be there all day, so please take advantage.
Good bowling by strikers. It's 9 runs for 3 in 2 overs.
Paji, I'll tell you one thing. I've seen Tejas hit mighty sixes to the most difficult of bowlers. So still he's there, UV is there, they're in the match.
It's right, you're right, but 15 runs continuously in all the 4 overs. It's tough, it's tough, it's tough. Yeah, good bowling, good bowling. Good bowling. And oh, Kushal could not stop.
That's what Tejal does, you know. He hits it so hard, so clean. It's just a start, I think.
Let's see how things go. I feel Vikas should have been on the. Oh, he's caught. Kushal has caught it. What a catch by Kushal. What a. कितने कुशलता से उन्होंने कुशल ने कैच पकड़ा. Oh my God. Now they are dead and buried, I suppose. It's only UV who can bring some magic in the air. It's oh, no run taken. Good bowling by strikers. And it's a good six hitting by UV. Let's see for how many balls it can be carrying on. UV try hard, but still not able to get more than one run. It's over. 3 overs, 22 runs. And in 18 balls, they need another 49 runs to win. The super fast Shlok bowling to UV. Oh, it's a wide. Oh, UV trying hard, but could not do more than a one. Oh, it's a wide again. Shlok. Oh, just for a one. RV could only manage a one. It's 26 for 4 in 3.2 overs. 45 more needed in 16 balls. The next few balls will decide the fate, I suppose, of the match. Oh. UV dropped by Vikas on the boundary line. UV trying hard, but only could manage a boundary 4. They're 30 for 4 in 3.4 overs. They are trying to break the shackles. Let's see what unfolds. Oh, what a shot! Shlok bowling straight balls. There was nothing more. Oh, it's a ball. Good ball, but a wide ball. So extras, few more extras. Shlok trying hard. Oh, good bowling. Just 34 more runs are required of 12 balls. Vikas seems to be going to the bowling end. It will be Vikas bowling the 5th over for Giants. Oh, sorry, for strikers. Let's see what unfolds now. Oh, what a catch by Priyansh on the boundary line. Vikas bowling well after hitting the flurry of 3 sixes and getting Giants to a massive score. Good shot by Cherry after a stretch. Vikas bowling his 3rd ball. Bowling to Yuvraj. Can UV do it? Can he do Yuvraj Singh? Oh, just a single, hitting the wide nets. That can only give you a 4 or a single. Wow, just a single again. Cherry tried hard but could not manage more than a single. It's 40 for 5 in 4.4 overs. Oh, what a shot. It's a 6. It's a 6. Vikas giving an over pitch ball to UV and UV taking a full use of it. Making a full use of it. But because he has crossed his 25 run score, Yuvraj retires. Now this again brings a turn in the run chase. It's up to now Ashwini and Cherry to get that runs. Oh, they have taken. Oh, it was stopped. Well stopped by Kushal. They didn't take a run, single run. They need 25 runs of 6 ball. They need some magic from Cherry. Let's see if the Cherry is on the top. Oh, what a shot! But could not manage more than a single. Ashwini trying again, just a single. Good bowling by the strikers. Rishabh bowling from this end. Oh, what a shot! It's a 6. It's a 6. Can Cherry do? Out. Oh, hits the net, the upper net, and he's out. 17 runs of 2 balls. Technically, it is lost by Giants, but still 2 balls remaining. You never know. It's a game of cricket. Ravi could only manage a single of a second last ball of the game. Oh, Ashwini gets out. Gets out in the last ball. They'll lose all the wickets. The match over. Match is over and strikers win the match. Ashwin. ठीक है. Wow. Come on, enjoy the ICL music.
Yo, cricket rap, cricket बहाने दोस्त बनाने. ICL box couldn't do ना. Yo, फुटबॉल आप उठा के बरुमा, बच्चे बड़े सबका जज्बा जमा. ले लीजिए देंगी चौकों के मारा. ICL में क्रिकेट का त्योहार. सोसाइटी के ग्राउंड पे सब आओ यार. आज खेलेंगे क्रिकेट होगा धमाल पार. चाहे बैटिंग करो या बॉलिंग संभालो, मौका मिले तो स्टंप्स भी उखाड़ो. कैडेट्स ले लीज किड्स भी साथ, इसी बहाने बढ़ेगी हमारी बात. ये मैच नहीं एक जश्न बड़ा, हर जीत से ऊपर दिलों से जुड़ा. करके बहाने दोस्त बनाने, बाहर दिल को पास ले आने. 4 रन हो या छक्का लगे, मस्ती में सब झूमे झमेले हटे. क्रिकेट पर फुल है दम, हर शॉट में जान, हर गेंद में रम. बाउंड्री छोटी पर सपने बड़े, टीम का जज्बा सबको जोड़े. लड़े एक ओवर में कमाल दिखाओ, बैट से बड़ाल से धमाका मचाओ. शोर मचाओ, ताली बजाओ, ट्रॉफी की चमक से महफिल सजाओ. क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने, हर दिल को पास ले आने. साथ में खेले साथ में झूमे, मेरे क्रिकेट से चमके त्योहार. Yo, cricket rap, cricket बहाने दोस्त बनाने. ICL box couldn't do ना. Yo, फुटबॉल आप उठा के बरुमा, बच्चे बड़े सबका जज्बा जमा. ले लीजिए देंगी चौकों के मारा.
For Giants, but they have been winning. You have won 2 or 1?
Out of the 3, we have won 2 matches.
Oh, they have won 2 matches. They are into the foray for the finals. Strikers is the only team which has won 3 matches on the trot. And they have a super hitting talent, I suppose, in Vikas, Kushal. The silence, guys. This match is going to start between Queens and Superstars. Hiral facing Mrs. Vikas, facing the man with 3 sixes in the flurry. And Sunana is going to ball right arm over. Oh, it was a single, beautifully taken